Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet. As you can see, it's cloudy. You know what time it is. I have a 2021 Ram 3500 heavy duty. This thing is nice. 6.7 liter Cummins turbodiesel engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Of course, it's a crew cab with the long bed. I mean, this thing will haul. It will tow whatever you need. Coming out here, of course, it's Laramie, so you have leather interior, black, power locks, mirrors, windows, memory seats. Oh, let's look in here. You have backup camera, cargo camera, there you go. Heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, a compass. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as long as it's plugged into here. Of course, here's some more of your buttons just in case you need them on. Climate control, parking sensors off, rear off and on, tow haul mode. Here's a integrated brake controller. I know it's a little dark and I apologize, but you have cruise control, Bluetooth, audio settings. It's 2021, it has 33,327 miles, so you still have the remainder of the factory powertrain warranty, which is always nice. Automatic headlights. Come inside here, in this crew cab and these Rams have so much space. Come inside here and you have some more charging ports for your people in the back, and your rear vents for your air and heat. Dually, of course, don't need anything else. Spray and bed liner, ready for the fifth wheel. I mean, this thing is nice and it will not last long, I promise you. I mean, this thing is just gorgeous, and this Cummins engines are very, very popular and very reliable. So my number's down in the description, so is our website and the social media links. Stick around to the end of the video, get all my contact information if you like. Call, text me, his talk numbers, and make a deal. Let's take this thing home, because it will not be here that long, I promise you. If you're not looking for this, I have car lot full of used and new vehicles. Go to our social media, go to our website. Our inventory is always changing, so let me know if you're looking for something. We'll try to find the best vehicle for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.